Have you ever wondered why the ocean is salty? What if I told you that not all parts of the ocean taste the same? When it rains, water dissolves salts and minerals from rocks on land. Then, rivers and streams carry all these minerals directly into the ocean. This also happens with the sedimentation of rocks near oceans. Additionally, at the bottom of the ocean, there are hydrothermal vents, cracks on the ocean floor where superhot water is expelled, dissolving minerals from surrounding rocks. Also in the depths, we have underwater volcanoes, which, when erupted, release minerals directly into the water. It's like a volcanic salt shaker going off now and then. And an interesting fact, not all parts of the ocean are equally salty. Near the equator and the poles, the water is a bit fresher, but in the middle latitudes, it's like the ocean went heavy-handed on the salt. More sun means more water evaporation, leaving more salt behind, resulting in the presence of sodium and chloride, the main components of table salt, which make up the majority of dissolved ions in the sea. It also contains magnesium chloride, potassium, and various other chemicals that contribute to its unique flavor. But wait, you'd expect that with billions of years in this process, the ocean would get saltier and saltier, right? Wrong, because there's a balance. The Earth is always adding a little salt, but the ocean also loses it through the formation of new rocks and minerals at the bottom of the ocean. Thus, despite all these sources, the ocean's salinity remains fairly stable, about 3.5% of the weight of seawater, perfect for marine creatures, but not for us. So, what would happen to your body if you drank this salty water? Drinking seawater would leave you super dehydrated because your kidneys would need more water to get rid of all the salt. More than just enhancing the flavors of food, salt plays an important role in human health, such as regulating blood pressure and muscle function. But beware, salt should be consumed in the right amounts. Excess can cause problems like hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. Sea salt is also used in chlorine production, agriculture, and even for removing ice from frozen roads. Countries like Australia, India, and Brazil are major salt producers, with China being the world's largest salt producer and the USA coming in second. In 2023, the United States produced about 42 million tons of salt, extracting it from large deposits in the ocean. After evaporation, the solid part is separated, and from these large salt crystals, we get sea salt and refined salt that we use in our kitchens. Yeah, I guess that's also one of the reasons why the sea doesn't get saltier and saltier. But how do marine animals survive in ocean water? Marine animals have some cool tricks to deal with salt. Some fish, for example, have organs ready to filter and excrete salt, while others like cartilaginous fish and sharks use sea salts for osmoregulation. Now that you know why the sea is salty, YouTube thinks you'll want to know this next.